Society throws the word hero around pretty liberally. But of all the heroes, the greatest are the brave men and women who protect our way of life and freedom by serving in the armed forces. That's why we at HensonFuerst are especially distressed when a veteran is denied benefits that we believe are well-deserved. Hello, I'm David Henson, Managing Partner with HensonFuerst Attorneys. In this video, I want to talk about what the process of applying for VA benefits is like, what to expect, and what you can do to improve your chances for approval. First of all, you should know that the process is long and complex. On average, it takes about 4 years for a case to resolve. It requires a lot of patience. Veterans benefits are paid to a veteran because of injuries or diseases that are service-connected, which means they happened while on active duty or were made worse by military service. A service-connected disability can include any problem incurred while you're in the service, even if you didn't receive treatment while in there. This applies to injuries that happened during combat or even while on leave. For example, a veteran who broke his leg playing basketball while home on leave can service-connect the leg the same as if he had broken his leg in combat. You may also be eligible to receive compensation for a disability that has a secondary service connection if you have a service-connected problem, which in turn caused or aggravated a second condition. The second condition can also be considered service-connected. For example, let's say a veteran broke his ankle when in the service. Years later, after decades of limping on the bad leg, the knee and hip are damaged. Because the knee and the hip injury is as a result of the original ankle injury, they are considered service-connected too. And if the constant pain of the ankle, hip, and knee injuries cause depression, that depression is considered service-connected. So you can see how a veteran's benefits case can be quite complex. To make things even more difficult, every injury must be verified and certified by medical and vocational experts as being service-connected. And that's not all. Experts must decide whether your injuries are severe enough to make you disabled and exactly how disabled you are and whether you are employable or too disabled to work. Your service-connected disability will be rated from 0 to 100% based on the severity of your condition. This is important because the amount of your monthly benefits depends on how disabled you are. The higher the rating, the more you may receive in monthly benefits. So for example, in 2012, a veteran with a rating of 10% receives $127 per month. If the rating is 50%, the monthly benefit is $797. And for a rating of 100%, the monthly benefit is $2,769. In addition, a veteran can receive both VA benefits and Social Security disability benefits at the same time for the same problems. A veteran is never too old to be evaluated for disability or employability. As long as the original source of your disability is service-connected, you have the right to apply for veterans benefits. While it's possible to apply for benefits on your own, the process requires veterans to jump through a lot of hoops to prove their disability. It takes time, money, and know-how to obtain the necessary medical, psychological, or vocational expert reports. Without the appropriate reports, you won't have a case. At HensonFuerst, we work with doctors, psychologists, and employment experts to make sure you are properly evaluated and get the kind of thorough documentation needed to prove a case. The initial consultation is free, so call us today. Let the experienced attorneys of HensonFuerst go to work for you. We're available at 1-800-4LAW-MED or visit us online at lawmed.com/veteransdisability. If you have questions, HensonFuerst has answers.